My name is Rohit Jain. I am from Max Landmark Group, Bangalore, and he is my colleague Suresh.
Suresh.
We are taking care of kidswear category in Max. This is the first visit of our. It's very exciting to see this kind of things are happening in India. Kidswear is actually a very a raw kind of a market as on date, and very little organized retailers in there. So it's an opportunity for everybody, all the retailers, maybe small retailers or bigger retailers, to have a platform where the suppliers and the suppliers and the brands can interact together and look about the new innovations, what is happening in the market, new products, new innovations.
That is the first time come to the Mumbai for the show. I think the CBNE is very successful in these times. We learn so many things from your side, and I for sure we can more opportunity can do more business in India.
So like Mr. Ernest says, India is a very important market of the world. Everybody knows there's quite a big potential. So it's very important for Kitty to be growing here, and especially it's very important to find a good partner. So Amato will be our really good choice, so we can grow the business together. So more importantly, it's very essential to encourage the healthiness of this industry, so everybody can grow together.
Well, it's my first time in a CBME event anywhere in the world. It's the first time, and I'm glad to be here. And we are glad to partner with Kitty. We got the fabulous feedback in the last couple of days about the product quality that they are showcasing. And I'm pretty sure with the new technologies that they have, a few of them are patented. So that's the one that we are really looking forward to, and it will be a differentiator in the Indian market. I think right now everything is on track. It's a fabulous event. Has been very well organized. I must say that, and we're looking forward to it.
I think it's a very good opportunity. Last night to some event together with the retail shop, online shop. For branding is it's very important. We can find a customer very easier.
Myself is Mohit from Good Luck Agencies, Kolkata. I'm the CEO of the company. CBME is a really good event. So the moment you have this entire industry under one roof, it's very easy and very comfortable for kind of a reseller to make decisions, and then it's a really good thing because you save a lot of time. You need not to go around the world to search right product. So it's like a combo of a lot of things which actually is a win-win thing.
Ma'am, we are from Chennai. एक्चुअली चेन्नई पे अपना रिटेल शोरूम है यूबीएम वो बहुत अपन का फुल सेटिस्फाइड काम करके दिया दैट मीन्स एक रिटेलर का इतना बढ़िया रिस्पेक्ट करके एंड प्रोडक्ट का वजन से एंड स्टॉल में भी क्या मिलेगा एंड अपन के लिए एक अलग सेगमेंट करके जो अपने पास अपन का चाहिए वो पूरा अरेंजमेंट करके दिया है दैट इज़ रियल थिंग एंड हम लोग फुल्ली सेटिस्फाइड है इधर आके जो बॉर्न बेबी आइटम्स फुल देखा है एंड फ्रॉम चाइनीज़ आइटम देखा जापानीज आइटम्स देखा एंड टॉयस में भी बहुत आइटम्स देखा है एंड कभी चेन्नई में इतना आइटम देख नहीं सकता है ये फेयर अपन का वजन से थोड़ा बेनिफिट हो गया एंड वंस अगेन थैंक्स टू तिलक भाई एंड उनका कंपनी का
Hi, this is Mithun Gupta from Body Care. I am director over there. It's been a great experience coming to UBM, and we have got so many serious buyers. The special thing, like the exhibition that I like, serious buyers are there, focused buyer is there. As far as people are coming from all the parts of India, and also organized players have also came here. So it's been a great experience coming here. And as far as our future is concerned, we definitely like to come again for this exhibition, as we have got good amount of response, good new buyers over here.
Hi, I am Mridul. I head the business development for Toons Retail. CBME 2014 has been a very good year for us. It was a very eventful event. We've managed to meet a lot of people with all contexts that we had come here for. I think we have managed to achieve what we had come here, and UBME has been a real good support in giving us all kind of requirements that we required, and they were there round the clock for whatever we needed and whatever was required for our stall to be there in place, getting people to us, introducing new channels for us, giving us vision on new opportunities that we could do, and feedbacks on our products as well. Super Young and Wow Mom were very happy to be here, as well as the whole Toons family just had a very good time.
We are Brevi from Italy, a 60 years old company in the baby business. Mr. Pierulli is our international business development manager, and I'm assisting in the export sales. So it's our first time to join the CBME exhibition, and I think it's a quite positive experience so far, as we got the award for the most innovative product. But anyhow, we see that the quality of buyers and the interest of people is quite impressive in our mind. So we really hope it's a good chance for Brevi to start a good business, on long-term business. Something of the organizers. We are very happy of the organizers because of the assistance, especially during the exhibition days. Everything was almost perfect. It's a very good exhibition, and we are really happy because many people came. So it means that you, the organizers, really had media attention. You managed to focus on the good professional buyers. So it's a very positive experience. We know the CBME from other areas, I mean from Turkey, from Shanghai, where we will join in July. So we are quite confident in the whole organization, really. Best compliments for this.
Well, I'm Rajesh Sharma. I'm General Manager Sales and Marketing of Small World Industry. Well, as regards to the CBME exhibition is concerned, it is definitely a very good platform where a lot of companies are, the reputed manufacturers as well as marketing companies are coming, and of course they are displaying their products. It's definitely a very good platform.
I'm Moiz Gabajiwala. I'm the director of Zephyr Toy Makers Private Limited. Our company manufactures one of the most well-known brand of mechanics in Indian toy. Oh, it's been good. Typically, this is not our market that we have worked with. So in this exhibition, we get exposed to a complete different set of people, complete different set of the industry. Although yes, we did find a lot of the toy people coming in this time. So that's how it's benefited.
Okay, as you can see, I am representing Farlin in India, and we are there in India marketing Farlin since last about 10-12 years. We had a few platforms earlier, but they were not conducive to the brand image, and UBM has brought a platform which really I guess it's a very appropriate show for our kind of high quality, high value imported product line like Farlin, and we are very happy to be here. The presentation is good. The other competition brands also have sort of improved the quality of their own stalls, and in general whatever support, services and organizations requirements of UBM was there, I feel it is met, and it has been improved since last. This is the second time, and it's better than what it was last time.
We are Ahad Apparels from Tirupur. It's really a very good exposure participating in this exhibition, and right now we are booking for the next year also. It's an excellent job what you have done.
My name is Rajesh Shah, and I am from Rachna Creation, and we have got the good experience here, and many party visited us, and we have got good experience, and from the many region the wholesalers and retailers are approached us. So this is a good platform for us for the future also. So we would like to take next year the participants as a participant.
My name is Girish Parmar, and this is my partner Narendra Thakkar. My company's name is Sri Ghanshyam Toys Private Limited. We are importing these toys made in from Germany, and very good the support from the UBM also. They help in so many ways by putting the banners and all the means. They are making very good feedback we get from the UBM. There is any complaints for UBM, and we are also taking September. There is a big stall. This is a 12 meter. We are now try to get 24 meter stall for the same brand, and we have launching so many products, almost 50 products in the September.